Hello everyone. Welcome to the presentation of my architectural engineering design. My name is Joe and the project name is Green Living Home. The main theme of the house is green, therefore trees could be taken advantage of. Green facade is implemented as the second skin walls and the wood is chosen as the main material. These are the 3D pictures of the house. Those from the left is from Revit and those from the right from SketchUp. To understand the house better, let's take a tour around the house. This is only the geometry look of the house. It doesn't include certain features like solar panels or green facades. This is the block design. Given the dimension of the lands, we can have 5 rows in west-east direction and 2 rows in south-north. This could make a total of 10 houses. The aim of the house is to have as much as outdoor areas as possible. Trees will be planted on east and west to avoid house heating up in early morning and in evening. As for the road, it will have minimum 2-lane road width according to OS road. This includes two 2.1 road lanes, 3 meters shoulder and 4 meter on-street parking. The reason for on-street parking is to have more outdoor areas. This was designed according to the AS 2890-2020. As for the occupation design, Green Living Home is a space specially made for young people living in North Wollongong Ferry Meadow areas. The deck is wide and constructed in a secluded areas to ensure private but enjoyable experience. The shared space will have access to sunlight from north, east, and south, which allows students to make it into a study areas with a lot of light. This is the interior look design for the house. The aim is for the student to have enjoyable, comfortable, and warm atmosphere that can release the tension in the day. Spaces are also spared for activity with friends. This is the floor plans of the house. One idea that governs the designs is to have wet areas into one space. This minimizes importing energy with water service. Piping materials and maintenance are also minimized. On the other hand, this can concentrate the heat used at night in the bath to create thermal mass underneath and keep the core areas warm. These are the elevations of the house. And these are the construction design. The external walls have R values of 7.4. Internal wall is 2.8 and the roof has 6.7. As for the net zero strategy, Hyundai solar panels is used since it has high capacity. 300 watts 60 cells each panels. These products is also available in Australia. And 737 panels is installed to reach 11,000 watts. This is enough for the net zero electricity requirements. The cold water from the rainwater tank is pumped from the rainwater tank running through the panels to cool the solar panel down. This is very useful to increase the efficiency of the solar panels. The water afterwards will then run into the internal hot water system. This will also decrease the electricity usage. As for windows, double glaze is chosen. Thermotech from Viridian companies is chosen to be the products used. This has insulation without having to use the triple glaze windows. Also, green facade is chosen as second skin walls to increase the insulation of the house. The picture underneath shows the second skin walls location. These are the references I use in my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.